Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Windscribe password in 2026. If you've forgotten your password or simply want to create a new one for better security, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the official Windscribe sign-in page. Next, click the Forgot Password link below the login form. Now enter the email address associated with your Windscribe account. Next, click the Reset Password or Submit button to request a password reset. Now check your email inbox for a password reset message from Windscribe. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder as well. Next, open the email and click the password reset link provided. Now create a new strong password using a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, confirm your new password by entering it again, then save the changes. Now return to the Windscribe login page and sign in using your new password. Finally, if you're signed in on other devices, update your login credentials there as well to keep everything synchronized. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Windscribe password. Your account is now secured with your new password and ready to use. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.